Hi everybody, I'm Mrs. Davis here to talk to you about median this time. So median is another way to find the average of a set of data. And a lot of times when we use median, it's when we have an outlier in our data. So an outlier is something that doesn't quite fit in your set of data. It kind of lies outside of the normal range of your data. So if we look at this example of test scores, 85, 80, 95, 60, 90, do you see any number that might stick out as an outlier? It kind of doesn't fit in with the rest. Yeah, 60. So this student had B's and A's and then they had a 60. So that's kind of like an outlier. So median is what we're going to use to find the average here. So the first thing to remember with median, and the thing that people forget most often, is to put your numbers in order. Now it doesn't matter if you go least to greatest, greatest to least, that's your personal preference. I like to put least to greatest. So I'm going to start with 60 since that was the smallest, the lowest score. Then we have 80, 85, 90, and 95. So to find the median, we're going to look for what is the middle number in this set of data now that we have it in order. So because we have 5 numbers that were given, which is an odd number, it makes it nice because we're going to see we have one middle number. So if I look at this, a lot of people will cross off one side, cross off the other, cross off one side, cross off the other, and then as you go, you're left with your middle number. So in this example, my answer is 85. My median of this set of data would be 85. Now, let's look what happens if we don't have an odd number of data points given. So let's go back to our our original set of data. Let's get rid of that 90. So now I'm just looking at 4 numbers in my set of data. So once again, I'm going to put them in order. I've got 60. I've got 80, I've got 85, and I've got 95. Okay? So when I look at this set of data, I am now looking at what is the middle number. So you can start by crossing out again. Cross it out. But then, you have 2 numbers in the middle. You have this 80 and 85. So you have to find the middle of those 2 numbers. So to do that, we're going to do the mean of those 2 numbers. So we're going to do 80 plus 85. Just like we did in the one video with mean. We're going to add them. 80 plus 85 gives us 165. But then the second step in mean was that we had to divide by how many numbers we added. So we added 2 numbers, so we're going to divide by 2. So 165 divided by 2 gives us 82.5. So 82.5 is the median of this set of data. So that would be the answer for this one. Hopefully that helps you. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to comment. You can email me. I'll also put my Google Voice number, so if you want to call or text me, you can do that as well, okay? And I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Take care, guys.